Hi guys, I'm Hitesh and today I'm here with this product which is Profit Sale, and this is Profit Sale review. Now, what Profit Sale is going to do for you, what type of the problems this product will solve, we will see each and everything. I mentioned main information on my page. Just go through the link below, come here on the page, take complete information. Later we will see complete bonuses, special ultra bonuses this time. I'm not going to show you right now. Before that, we have to finish this demo. So this is one special demo which I already added on my website. Just go through the link below and watch this. And I have this member access area which is for profit sale, and we will try to create our app. So what you can do, you can create any application in different in industry niches, streams, whatever you can say. So this will be fully cloud based mobile app, 100% newbie friendly, easy to software. Now, what is the main reason to create application? Because in the future, scope of application will be grow. So in that situation, you will need this profit cell, because in application, by using application, by creating application, you can reach your, actually you can just go with your business on the next level. Okay, actually, it's too much pretty simple if you have application. Okay, so you can just carry your business to the next level. So let me show you what is this. Profit Cell is available for both iOS and Android. So don't worry about that. Done for your website to display your application portfolio to clients. Done for your application templates in many local and online niches. As I told you, one time payment only and no monthly fees. Yes, okay. Everything has been created 100% from the ground up to guarantee perfect app building. Built in drag and drop editor. Actually, you have to just play around with the options which you are going to get inside, and you will be able to go. Okay, so here's the demo. You can just come on this page to the link below. You can watch, and one demo you are just going to watch right now. So here's the member access area. So you can just take a little bit training from here, but I'm not going with that. So start building your application here. So I'm just clicking on that, and later we will see what is coming in front of us. Now here is the dashboard. You can see here is training. You can see, okay, this is again little bit training. Just finish this, because without finishing that, you will not able to create application, because I'm not also master in creating application. I'm good in my different industry, in different line, but I'm not good in all industry. Okay, because it's not possible. So what I'm doing right now, what I can do, so this is my app. When you will come here, you can see here this option which is create app. So just click on that, and when you will click on that, let's see what is coming in front of us, and later we will try to understand what we can play around. Okay, to create any application, to build some application, put any name for your applications. For example, puppy. Domain link, right now I don't have domain, so I'm just putting a whatever. Fave icon link means fave icon, something like this. Right now I don't have fave icon, so right now it's showing public notification, not notification, public fave icon. Public icon you can see, but if you have any type of the logo, it will look here. Okay, so that is called fave icon. So you have to just put that link here, and you will be able to create your apps. So right now, let me just I'm just trying. If it's okay, I will put this link, and later this is, and just let's see it's working or not, because I put random. Yes, redirecting to this. Okay, guys. So name, domain link, and fave icon. Okay, so how your application will look like, you will able to see here. Right now, I kept my random links, so that is why it's not showing anything here, because I don't have anything related to this. So app created successfully. Okay, how it will look like. Always you will be able to watch preview inside this mobile. Now, what is the options here? For example, this is notification. So you can send notification to your audience directly inside the dashboard. Okay, so what will be title? Whatever you want. What message you want to send, put that message here. You can send your landing page link also. You can send your CPA link also. And when your audience will click on that link, you will make money. You will get paid. Okay, you can make good CTR, you can make good conversions, you can get good visitors, number of visitors on your page, on your application, and you can later monetize your application. So you will earn from monetization also, you will earn from CPA also, and you can just you can just make some conversions for your own product also. You can make some conversions for affiliate product also. So that's how you will be able to create 3 to 4 money, source of money, okay, source of income, you can say. So that's how this complete system will work. Okay, so these are some already done things. This is domain URL, fav icon, and that's it. So for example, icon whatever, and you can just send this notification. Where's the button? Let me search. Here is. So from this button you will be able to send, because right now I'm not able to send this, but I already clicked. Okay, so that's how you will see, because I'm not able right now. So that is why this option is actually this page is opening, but you will be able to send all notification. But before that, you have to finish the training. Otherwise, you will not be able to understand completely the complete whole system. So download layouts and app builder. This is completely inside things. You will learn directly inside the training. So that's how you have to play around with this, guys. Okay, and that's how you will be able to build your applications. So let me show you if any important information I left. Let me show you. Everything is created 100%. Okay, no need to pay or register for developer account. That's the main thing, guys. You can see here, no need to pay for or register for a developer account. Generally people have to go on Google on different developer website. They have to register. They may be paid website or free, don't idea. It may be paid because you are developing something, but you don't have to do all these things because everything is done for you directly inside the dashboard. Okay, so use our high converting templates or create your own. You can do that so that your appearance of your application will look too much good. In depth step-by-step training, yes, you will need this. Get rid of monthly payments. This is again a special thing, guys. You don't have to pay per month. Okay, perfect for. So guys, this is the main thing which I already told you. You can earn now from e-commerce also. So what you can do, you can create your e-commerce application also. So directly people will come to your application. They will say, they will purchase anything, you will get sale. Simple copy paste, one line of code, simple, guys. Okay, so that's how you will do all these things. Even if you have doubt, just come on this page. Okay, see this demo, and that's it. Okay, one demo I already shown you, which was short demo, because I'm not perfect and master in this. So guys, leave all this thing. Now the time is about bonuses. So here is number one special bonus, which is ranker. It will rank your any website, any link, guys. So it will always useful if you go for this profit sale, which is application builder. Okay, so always a ranker will be useful for you. And this is later, this is latest product, guys. Go outside and you can just check this about this. Okay, so for first 7 hours only this one. Now this is Zenobia. This is about Pinterest, and Pinterest is already, I told you many times, this is not only social media, this is completely a new search engine, and it always work too much good for e-commerce, for affiliates, for whatever you can say, for visitors, whatever. So for that, for Pinterest domination, Zenobia will just completely, Zenobia have the power to change your complete online journey, guys. Okay, so that's the power of this Zenobia. So this is again for first 7 hours only, and no fake scarcity, guys. Okay, because I don't do that. Now this is lockdown formula. This is third bonus. Fourth bonus, Jenny. You can just go outside and cross check about this, guys. Okay, so that you will be able to know the power of this all bonuses. This is again newly launched product, which is Coinsmash, about crypto industry. You will dominate crypto industry also just because of this product. So these 5 bonuses, if you go through the link below only. Okay, so these 5 bonuses are waiting for you if you go through and just make your 2022 too much special, guys. Okay, so this is complete bundle you will get even if you pick up this profit sales front end. Okay, guys, so I have done from my side. If you have any doubt, you can ask. We will meet another time with another masterpiece. Bye, guys.